Hello students, welcome back to online class eSuvidya. In the previous classes, we have discussed about the festivals of different northeastern states of India like Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Mizoram. So in the last class, we discussed about the festivals of Mizoram. Do you remember? Which is the main festival of Mizoram? In which season is it celebrated? What is the speciality of Mizo festival? Okay, I think you have all gone through the chapter. Today we will discuss the festivals of Meghalaya, and I am reading the paragraph 9 and you just follow me. Wangala or the 100 Drum festivals is the most important festival celebrated by the Garos in the village of Meghalaya. The festival is named so because 100 drums are beaten together during the celebration. This harvest festival is celebrated in November to mark the end of hard work, which naturally brings a good harvest. The celebration features beating of drums, blowing horns and traditional dancing. The dance during the festival has two parallel lines, one for men and other for women, clad in their festive costumes. While the men beat the drums, the lines move forward together in a rhythmic manner. Well, children, in this paragraph, it is clearly mentioned that which is the most important festival celebrated by the people of Meghalaya. So, Wangala. Festivals of Meghalaya. This is the main theme of today's lesson. So, festivals of Meghalaya, we celebrate a number of festivals all through the year, you know. In our state also we celebrate, and in Meghalaya, their main festival is Wangala. Wangala is otherwise named as 100 Drum Festival. It is called 100 Drum Festival. Why? 100 drums are played at a time together. 100 drums are beaten together during this festival. So, this festival, Wangala festival, is otherwise called as 100 Drum Festival. And this is the most important festival celebrated by Garos. Who are Garos? In geography also you know, Garos is one tribe. They are tribal people of Meghalaya, like our Santals, Ho, Munda in our state Odisha. So in Meghalaya there is one tribe known as Garos. So specially this Garo tribe, they celebrate this Wangala festival. The festival is named so because 100 drums are beaten together during the celebration. This harvest festival is celebrated in November. When is it celebrated? In the month of November. So this Wangala, what is the festival? What is the important festival of Meghalaya? That is Wangala. When is it celebrated? In the month of November. Why this festival is celebrated? To mark the end of hard work. To mark, to celebrate, to symbolize the end of hard work. Why do they work hard? What do you mean by hard work? That means those Garo tribe, they work hard in their field. Like our farmers also, they work hard in the field all through the year. So when the harvesting season comes, they become very happy because they will get good crops and their barn will be filled up. Similarly, in Meghalaya also, the Meghalaya people, the Garo tribes, they become very happy when they get their harvest from the agricultural field. So their hard work comes to an end. That means every hard work is added with a success. No hard work goes in vain. So their hard work also brings success to them. What is success? The prosperity. That means good harvest. To mark the end of the hard work. And another thing, brings a good harvest. To bring good harvest, good crops. And in almost all the northeastern states, we came to know about that most of their festivals are based on agriculture. Before sowing season, they worship God. After cultivation, when the crops are in plenty, loss granary in their field, they also pray God, and after harvest they pray God giving thanks. So all the festivals are based on agriculture. Similarly here the Meghalaya people, they worship God in Wangala festival to bring good harvest from their field. The celebration features beating of drums. What are the special features of their Wangala festival? Special features are beating of drums. How many drums? Beating of 100 drums at a time. Beating of drums, blowing horns, horns is one musical instrument. So beating of drums and playing horns along with traditional dancing. In almost all the festivals there is traditional dancing and they are dressed up in traditional costumes, in traditional dress. So traditional dance is a part and parcel of their celebration of festivals. The dance during the festival has two parallel lines. So during dance, there are two parallel lines. One for men and other for women. In tribal dance also we have seen there are two parallel lines. In one line the young girls or women, and in another line the young boys or men. So they dance forward and backward depending upon the rhythm. What is rhythm? Balance between sound and movement. So they move their hands and legs, their waist as per the sound, as per the music. If there will be no rhythmic sound, then the dance will not be good. So always in each and every dance there is a rhythm. So one for men and other for women. So two lines they dance. And how do they dance? What is their costume? They are clad in their festive costumes. Clad. Clad means dressed. So they are dressed in their festive costumes, not regular costume. Regularly or in our day-to-day life, we use one type of dress. So when during festival, we use our exceptional dresses. We have kept intact for the festivals to come. So they use or they are dressed up in their festive costumes, festive dress. While the men beat the drums, the line move forward together in a rhythmic manner. So when the men, generally the 100 drums are beaten by the men, not by women. The women, they dance, they come forward towards the men depending on the rhythm. So now this is all about the festival. There are so many festivals, but here one important or major festival of Meghalaya has been described, that is Wangala or 100 drums festival. And now I think all of you are clear, all of you understood. Then tell me, who celebrate Wangala festival? In which month is this festival celebrated? In the month of? Yes, in the month of November. Then what is the speciality of this festival? Beating up 100 drums. That's why the Wangala festival is otherwise known as 100 drum festival. So what is the peculiarities of this festival or of the dance? There are two parallel lines, one for men and another for women. Okay children, this is all for today. Then we will continue our lesson in the next classes. Thank you.